guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, thank you so much for joining us and I would love to have you back, so please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. So for today's video, I wanted to share my birthday haul. By the way guys, if you hear noise from a fan or construction, it's because it's super hot and also we're getting some maintenance done in the corridors, so hopefully it won't affect the video too much, but I'll try to speak up. I have things from Dior, Gucci, I have more self-portrait, and I even have a bag to share with you guys. Let me start off with clothing first. I'm wearing this beautiful silk dress from Lily Silk. You guys know I'm a big fan of Lily Silk, it's no surprise. This one is so pretty. It's got these shoulder cutout details and it's a longer dress, fitted at the waist, but it has these beautiful ruffles and it's asymmetrical and it's this beautiful lavender color. These straps are adjustable. It's a great length because it's longer, so it hides the knees, but if you're a bit taller it would still be a really good length for you. But I'm not as tall, I'm only 5'4", so it kind of hits me more on the calf in the back, but it's super pretty and I love it so much. It's such a pretty color for the summer. And this silk is so beautiful. It's kind of like a chiffon material. The packaging from Lily Silk, I've always raved about how well they're packaged. A lot of times I just wear them out of the box, as well as even if they are a bit wrinkled, it's really easy to steam. So they come like this actually. I've got something else here. It's a pair of pants and this one is in black color. If you guys remember in one of my previous styling haul video, it's one of those summer ones. I'll link down below as well. I raved about the same pair of pants that I got but in white color. I loved it so much that I wanted to get the black color before they run out. I love that they're double layers, so on the outside there's the chiffon layer and then on the inside you've got the thicker silk layer, this glossy silk. I think these are just the perfect spring, even summer and fall pants because they're airy enough that you won't get too hot in them, but they're also very dressy and very comfortable because of the elasticated back. Another dress by Self-Portrait. If I could wear dresses all year round, I would probably live in dresses all year round, except that it's a bit too cold in the winter, so I do take advantage of them, especially in the summer. I got these at Matches Fashion, and in fact the other two that I got from Matches Fashion in my previous video, they went on sale, so it's actually an even better deal now. But I'm still happy that I was still able to grab this one before they ran out. So I got this in a size 8. I do follow the sizing chart on their website quite closely, and usually they're pretty good, but whenever they are not true to size, I do tell you guys. So I would say that this one is true to size. I mentioned in my previous styling haul that I was so sad that I had to send back a couple of self-portrait items. One is a dress and one is a top in the star print because they were oversized on me. I think they ran large, so they were not true to size for me. So I picked up this one instead. This one is much better for my body shape. So it's got this shoulder like cutout detail and it has this slightly heart-shaped bust area with a cinched in waist. And it's so cute. It has a zipper fastening here for the skirt. It's a handkerchief skirt, so it's asymmetrical, which I love. But the best part is that the bust area, this bra area, is actually a, you know, one of those hooks adjustments for bras. And it's so pretty. This shape definitely does flatter my body shape a bit more. It's cinched in the waist. I think I'm gonna do the unboxing of my Dior items. You guys can probably guess that it is jewelry. So here it is. To reveal, let's see, oh there, they're just so in right now at the moment, and Dior is just all the rage, doing so well. So it says Christian Dior Jadior on this bracelet, and this is kind of like a teal blue color, and these are completely adjustable. Really cute, especially if you're just wearing a jean and t-shirt or maybe with a leather jacket. I could also use this bracelet instead for my watch. So it would look like this with a really nice contrasty color. This one kind of blends in a little bit more. Anyways, that's how it looks like on me and I love it. Next up we have a Gucci item, and yes, it is an accessory, and here it is. So yes, it is a belt. It is another belt, and I'll show you guys how it looks like. This closure here, which is just a simple hook, and it's a fabric belt, so it's actually elasticated. And this elastic is pretty sturdy. It doesn't actually give that much. It's adjustable here, and I picked it up in the size 80, which is the only size they had available at the time. But if you did pick up in your normal size, this buckle here will actually sit in the front, whereas because I had to pick it up in a size 80, I had to adjust it all the way to the back. So now this buckle sits behind my back, on the side of my back, which is fine. You just won't see this detail here on the side. You will just see the belt like this on you. The reason why I picked this one up is because I love the color on it. You guys know I love red, and this buckle detail is really cute. It is actually, I think this belt is actually slightly more expensive than the leather version, believe it or not. But the reason why I wanted to pick this one up is because I always loved cinching in, let's say, a dress, or mostly dress actually. Sometimes you can cinch in a jacket, I suppose, but mostly for dresses with a belt. But I find that with leather belts, they're just less flexible. So when you sit down or if you eat, then you have to keep adjusting your belt. Whereas with something like this, not only will it stay put more because it's elasticated, but it will also give a little bit more if you move around or sit or eat. In the summer, I actually wear a lot of colors, not just black. In fact, I don't think I wear as much black in the summer, but in the fall and in the winter months, I predominantly wear jeans and just a lot of black and grays. So that's why a leather belt is great for that. But for the summer, I feel like an elasticated belt is actually a little bit better and more suited for what I'm looking for, I suppose. This brand is called Joseph and Stacy. Let me reveal the bag first. This is how the dust bag opens. And I picked this beautiful bag. So it is a I guess it is a shoulder bag. It's kind of like a hobo style shoulder bag. It's not quite a tote, it's more hobo, and it's super cute. It has all these cute details. So this is full leather, by the way. I picked it in the color black. So there's this scissor print stamping on it in the front. That's their signature. And then down here on the side, there's a turn lock, and you can actually adjust the length of the strap. So currently it's on the longest setting, but you can also make it shorter. So now you've got a shorter strap, so the bag is more closer to your body and also just sits higher. But I think I will probably wear it more as a slouchier, like more relaxed look. So I'm most likely just gonna wear it on the longer setting, which is how it was on some of the Korean celebrities. Down inside there's a button closure in the middle, and it's like basically it's a hobo, but it also does come with a pouch that you can detach as well. So this is completely detachable. You've got this clip right here, and so it comes with this flat pouch, which is a good size, good for flatter things like receipts and maybe money and things like that. And it also comes with a mini pouch right in front, and this mini pouch is made of felt, so it's great for coins or just like essentials, I suppose, or little things that you don't want to misplace. That's the zipper pull. This is their wrapping paper that was used for the pouch. I just checked the little tag inside. You see that little cloth tag inside? It says the material used, so it is lined with the it's basically like Alcantara lining, because it feels like the microfiber lining. Product tag, and it's like I said, it's Korean, and it's very famous among Korean celebrities actually, so that's why it's all in Korean. But they do have a US website as well, or you just have to click US when you when you shop on their website. Here is the side of the bag, super avant-garde, very, very stylish and modern, but it's also a very functional style. It kind of reminds me of like a bucket style hobo, because it's like that. It's super slouchy, very casual, but very close to the body, easy to throw things in and out of it. And I love the thicker strap. It's a Korean luxury handbag company. I think their newest collection is like the PVC bags, which I actually have my eye on one. This bag is called the Joseph L, which stands for large. The Joseph large rich black color leather, very well finished. You can tell that it's very high quality and that they pay a lot of attention to details. Here's a little bit of a stitching on the side. It's so minimalist and modern and vintage looking at the same time. They have a lot of styles that I was actually really interested in. I also really like their box bag. Apparently they source the same leathers as I believe Prada and Coach even. So really, really cute. I think that this bag will come in super handy when I want to be logo free, I suppose, or when I just want to wear a simple black bag. This bag, I did pick it myself, but they did reach out to me and they wanted me to take a look at their products, and they kindly sent me this bag. So I'm super, super grateful, and I'm actually really happy that they reached out to me, because I would have never known about this company. And I think that this company makes super, super cute things. In my last month's video, I posted a luxury fashion haul. So I bought my Balmain blazer, I bought a few dresses from Self Portrait, and they were amazing. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link it up here and also down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video, my birthday haul video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed me trying them on as well for you and talking them through for you. Let me know down below which one or which ones are your favorite items that I got. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love to have you back, so please do subscribe. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!